Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topic name is TICK tick, FOR4, RIGHT right, AND and CROSS cross, FOR4, WRONG wrong, STATMENTS statements. Tick for right and cross for wrong statements. So dear children, if the statement is right, then you will tick, and if a statement is wrong, then you will cross. So now I would like to explain you one by one. So the first is WHEN when, WEV, MEET meet, PEOPLA people, WEV, SHOULD should, WISH wish, THEM them. When we meet people, we should wish them. You can see in this picture what people they are doing. They are wishing to each other. So dear children, whenever you will meet with anyone, either your relatives, your friend, any elder person, then you should say, we should wish them. Suppose in the morning, then you should say good morning. In the afternoon, then you should say good afternoon. And the evening, then you should say good evening. So this statement is, when we meet people, we should wish them. This statement is correct. So you will tick here. Now, the next is WEV, SHOULD should, PUSH push, OTHERS others, TO2, GO go, AHEAD ahead. We should push others to go ahead. You can see in this picture. See what is this boy doing? This boy is pushing. So this is not a good manner. We should not push to our friends or anyone. If suppose you are going anywhere, then you should go in queue and you should not push to anyone. If suppose you will push to anyone, then your friend will fall down and he will get hurt. So dear children, we should not push to anyone, but the statement is here, we should push others to go ahead. So this is a wrong statement. So what you will do? You will cross like this. Now the next is WEV, SHOULD should, WATCH watch, TELEVISION television, LATE late, NIGST night. We should watch television late night. You can see in this picture what children they are doing. They are watching television and late night. So this is not good for our health. If suppose you will watch the television late night, then you will not get up early in the morning and the whole day you feel sleepy and lazy and you will not be healthy. So you should sleep early and you should get up early in the morning. So dear children, the statement is here that we should watch television late night. This is the wrong statement. So what you will do? You will cross because this is a wrong statement. Now the next is WEV, SHOULD should, NOT not, THROW throw, RUBBISH rubbish, ON on, ROAD road. We should not throw rubbish on road. You can see in this picture what this girl is doing. This girl is throwing garbage in the dustbin. This is a good manner. We should not throw here and there. We should keep our surroundings neat and clean. We should always throw garbage in dustbin. So the statement is here, we should not throw rubbish on road. So this is a correct statement. So what you will do? You will tick like this. Now, the next I would like to teach you YOUSHOULD, should, RAISE, raise, YOUR, your, HAND, hand, BEFORE, before, SPEAKING, speaking. You should raise your hand before speaking. Now, you can see in this picture, this is a picture of classroom. And what the teacher is doing? She is teaching. So, dear children, whenever anybody before you speaking and anything they are telling, then you should listen carefully. And if you want to say something, then you should raise your hand. This is a good manner. So, dear children, the statement is here that you should raise your hand before speaking. So, this is a correct statement. We should not disturb to anyone. If you want to say something, then you should raise your hand. So, this is a correct statement. So, we will tick here. Now, the next is MAKE, make, NOISE, noise, INN, THE, the, CLASS, class. Make noise in the class. You can see in this picture, teacher is teaching in the classroom. And what the children are doing? They are making noise. So, dear children, we should not make noise in the classroom. We should listen carefully, very nicely. Whatever your teacher is teaching, you should pay attention in the classroom. And you should not make noise in the class. So, this statement is the wrong. Because the statement is here that make noise in the classroom. This is a wrong statement. So, what you will do? You will cross here. Now, the next is HELP, help, YOUR, your, MOTHER, mother, INN, HER, her, WORK, work. Help your mother in her work. Now, you can see in this picture how nicely this girl, she is helping her mother. She is helping to keep clothes properly in the washing machine. So, this girl is helping to her mother. So, dear children, at home, you should also help your mother. So, help your mother in her work. This is a correct statement. So, what you will do? You will tick. Now, the next is WEV, SHOULD, should, EAT, eat, HEALTHY, healthy, FOOD, food. We should eat healthy food. Now, you can see this boy. This boy is eating healthy food. You can see here the fruits are here, vegetables and the milk. So, these all are good for our health. If you will eat healthy food, then you will be fit and fine in your life. So we should not eat junk food. We should eat always healthy food. This is very important for your growth. So dear student, this statement is correct. So what you will do? You will take care. We should eat healthy food. So dear children, like this you will study at home. Thank you.